Several years ago, I used MyTransport.sg app to help me find public transport to move around Singapore. A few years later, I moved to Citymapper. Now I'd like to show you the difference between these two apps. So this is MyTransport.sg, and I want to take public transport. So it's bus or MRT. So I'm asked to put down the address. So if I say I want to go to Suntec City, it tells me I can choose bus. There's 85770, 163 change to 980, and the traveling time is shown here. Of course, the fastest is 857. If I take MRT, I will have to take a bus, then change to the north-south line, and it takes me 1 hour 6 minutes. It's a bit longer, but there's no detail, so I have to see what's the detail. So this is the detail I see. It means I have to take a bus and then change to MRT. The bus never tell me what bus I have to take. If I go back, it never tell me what bus I have to take. No, okay, this is by MRT. So if it's both, that means I have to take 857 and then go to 163 and go to CC, or if I have to take 70. So it's not very clear. Okay, so this is the mode, bicycle. So this is the bus. So it's not very clear. I have to take 857. If I click down here, it means I have to go and see where do I take the bus. Okay, so I need to be able to know. All right, now I'm going to show you the same with the Citymapper. So this is my Citymapper. So it says that's where I am now. Get me somewhere. So I put down here Suntec City. Now I can see it says take bus 86 and change to the north-south line and walk. And you also tell me the waiting time for bus 86 is 1 minute, 19 minutes 31. That's the subsequent buses. And the total traveling time is 72 minutes. Or if I take 857 and I walk, the total traveling time is 77 minutes. You also tell me what is my fare. This is the adult fare. If you are on concession ticket, then it'll be cheaper. So this is much more useful. If I decide that I'm going to take the 66 minutes, bus number 70, change to north-south line and walk, this is what I'm seeing. 6 minutes to the bus stop, then take bus 70, 1 minute to walk to the MRT station. On arrival, it's 19 minutes. Total is 66 minutes. If I leave now, my arrival time is 3:42. So I'm supposed to walk to this bus stop after Econ Medisave, take 6 minutes to this bus stop, and then I have to take a bus 70, direction to Yio Chu Kang interchange, every 11 minutes. And then from there, I have to take 8 stops to Yio Chu Kang interchange, takes 11 minutes. I walk to the Yio Chu Kang station 1 minute, enter by this, go to the platform and take the north-south line, direction Marina South Pier, 302, and should be arriving at, there'll be 10 stops, 19 minutes, 2 minutes to leave a station by this exit, and I walk 19 minutes to Suntec City. So this is the information given by Citymapper, which is very much more helpful. If I want to go and look at, this is my 65 minutes, if I want to go to look at this option, take 86 to the north-south, and then change to the circle line, and then walk. That's about 68 minutes. It's about the same time. And this is the details of that other route. So after I moved to Citymapper, I find that it is much more user-friendly, especially I like the waiting time for the bus to come. So there's a waiting time there, and I find that it's much more useful than the LTA app called MyTransport. Now, the other advantage of this Citymapper is if I go to another city, I can change to the Citymapper of that city, and I think this is available in the yep. If I come here, I'm now Singapore. I can switch. So I can switch to Hong Kong, Taiwan, Seoul, Tokyo, Melbourne, Sydney. So you can see there are so many cities with this Citymapper. So being used to Citymapper in Singapore, I will be able to use Citymapper in another city. I'm familiar with the interface, so I should be able to get around. So this is the advantage of Citymapper. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it.